I'll demonstrate a novel way for you to make money right now where you can get $3 every 30 seconds just by watching video commercials. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Please visit this webpage first if I ask you to. Our website is entirely free for you to use. No financial commitment is necessary. Users can view and click on the ads on this page to make money. As you can see above, the bulk of your online actions may thus enable you to make more income. You can do surveys, finish offers, recommend friends, and participate in competitions. But I want you to concentrate on viewing and clicking ads, considering that visiting different websites and clicking on advertising can earn you an actual money. This website now makes all of its rewards available to the public, so you can view the complete payout here. Currently, this website has over 192,000 registered members and has paid out $39,830.08 in total. Even here, the names of the users who have recently received withdrawals are displayed, along with information about their locations and payment options. You can select from a number of payment options to cash out your winnings, including Perfect Money, Payer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay, to name a few. I'll now display every payment proof to you. You may have seen that many users have already paid out their money, and the flags next to their usernames indicate that they are from various countries. The total amount paid is also displayed here. Even those with no prior experience can complete this, and later on, I'll provide you several examples of how to increase your earning potential. All that is left for you to do is click on this register button to create your free account. Your entire name, email address, username, and password must be entered on this page after that, which will be forwarded to you. After entering your birth month and year and checking the box that reads, "You are not a robot," just click register. The leaderboard will be displayed when you first log into your account. For your viewing, the highest earners will be highlighted. Take this one as an example. You can see his username, home nation, and more than $1,500 in total earnings here. All of these individuals who are from various nations have the ability to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. They merely carry out tasks that you are likewise capable of carrying out. When you visit your account, you can now see a variety of adverts to click on, with banner ads being the most prevalent. If you click on any of these banner ads, a random website will be visited. You only need to browse the website for 30 seconds. There's no need to sign up or buy anything. The majority of users won't do anything after viewing the website and clicking on the banner ads. They don't browse any other pages, they simply remain there. Therefore, take care to avoid making this mistake, since they won't eventually earn from such marketing. I therefore encourage you to look around the website. They'll assume you're a robot if you don't, in which case they won't make any deposits in your account. It is therefore important that you move around, scroll up and down, and stay on the website for a short period after visiting. Simply hold it for 5 to 10 seconds after making a slight movement, in my opinion, before moving. As a result of your ability to demonstrate that you are a human person and not a robot, they will credit money to your account after 30 seconds. Right now, when you finish viewing one banner ad, you may just click on another. On this page, there are a variety of banner ads that you may click to start earning money. By the way, it's called Adiclex.net. Another way to get money on this website is to watch the daily promotions, standard, micro, and exchange commercials. You can make money by spending roughly 10 seconds watching these clickable adverts. These people are increasing their income by employing this specific tactic. For instance, a random website will be shown if you click on this advertisement. Just scroll around and wait here for at least 10 seconds to prove you are not a robot. Once the necessary 10 seconds have elapsed, you'll be compensated and you can keep doing this. Now, I want to share with you an additional tip that nobody else has mentioned. You can tenfold your money if you make sure to watch at least 5 adverts per day. Once you've completed the 5 daily advertising, you can access new regular ads that pay 10 times as much. Now, the amount of time you must wait may range from 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the type of advertisements you are clicking. Generally speaking, the longer you wait, the more money you make. Now, if you find watching advertisements boring, you can choose to earn money on this website by watching long-form content like those YouTube videos you binge watch every night. Simply choose Lootably Daily Offers from the Earn Money menu at the top of the website to be taken to this page, where you can examine all the current offers and accept them. Here, you can find surveys, one-click links, apps, videos, purchases, and quizzes. However, since viewing videos is the simplest thing to perform and I am aware that the majority of us enjoy binge watching videos, that is what we will focus on today. So just choose videos. When we get to this page, we can choose from a variety of video category options. As a result, this page includes videos about food, DIY, and other topics. Simply select your preferred option. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this page. This website, where you may watch different kinds of videos, is comparable to YouTube in certain ways. But this business will pay us solely for watching videos, which is the only substantial difference between the two. As you can see, in order to proceed, you must first register a free account. Click sign up after providing your email address and selecting a password to complete this. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be sent to this website where you may view all of the food-related videos. On this website, you are free to watch as many videos as you like. As an illustration, if I select this one, I will be taken to another page where I must view the video for at least 60 seconds in order to receive payment simultaneously. This allows you to accomplish other tasks while watching a ton of videos. You'll be able to earn the most money with the least amount of effort as a result. You can view further videos by selecting any of the videos on the right side. You can also lower the video quality by changing the video settings. To conserve data, set it to the lowest video quality option. The maximum amount of money can still be made when watching an unlimited number of 60-second videos. You may immediately utilize these extra suggestions to multiply your earnings on this website by a factor of 2, 3, or even 4 in a single day. They are quite helpful. I'll give you another unique bit of knowledge immediately. This is a subject that no one else is talking about, and it may bring in hundreds of dollars for you in this website. The leaderboard once more lists the highest earners together with the overall earnings, but referral commissions account for almost 80% of this earnings. So by merely pointing others to our page, you can accomplish both becoming one of those top earners on the leaderboard and doing the same thing. To get there, visit dimeforum.com at my request. People talk about a variety of issues linked to making money online in this forum. You may join for free, and there are a lot of activity on this issue. Many people are posting on this forum since a lot of people visit this website to look for free information, which creates a lot of free traffic. Consider the query, how can I make money online? As an illustration, there may be a lot of individuals asking the same question on this website. You can observe the individuals are looking for ways to make money and posting inquiries. You might also see that other people have posted their responses to these questions. For instance, if you scroll down below, you can put your response to the specific question in the space provided. You should now type in your AddictClicks referral code. To get many referrals to dimeforum.com, you simply need to keep doing this. Simply direct interested people to addictclicks.net if they want to learn how to make money online. They will definitely be appreciative of your help if you simply provide them with your referral code and a link to a website where they may earn money online for nothing. Everyone benefits because they learn how to make money and you earn a referral bonus. Therefore, in addition to watching ads, referrals are one of the finest ways to earn money on AddictClicks. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.